Isa na namang sikat na nobela from Wattpad ang gagawing pelikula. Ito ang Your Place or Mine na sinulat ni Turning Japanese at ididirehe ng batikang direktor na si Joel Lamangan. Pinagbibidahan ito ng talented young artists sa pangunguna din ni Andy Eigenman. Your Place or Mine? Anong ganap?
Hi guys! We're now here at the Viva office for the look test of Your Place or Mine.
Isang naiibang istorya mula sa Wattpad ang bibigyang buhay ngayon, ang romance drama na Your Place or Mine.
Syempre, I'm very happy and I'm very excited. The concept is fun, it's a cute story. So I'm happy to be a part of it, especially to be working with Direk Joel and the rest of the cast.
Your Place or Mine, guys. Wow, beautiful guys.
Your Place or Mine is about a story about modern love. Yung mga yung generation kasi natin ngayon, kakaiba na siya.
The essence of the books are all there. It's a young romance based on a traditional story.
I play as Jessica here, the best friend of Hailey, and I like her character. She's makulit and silly, and she knows everything about Hailey.
Yung character ko dito, ako po si Micah, and boyish siya dito, so medyo hindi ko siya tingin. So excited ako na magkaroon ng movie na iba yung character ko.
Ang gaganapin kong role ay kontrabida, and I'm actually in character right now.
Basically, Your Place or Mine is a Wattpad story about Russell and Hailey na nagkakilala through a one-night stand.
Bida ulit ang young actress na si Andy Eigenman. And for the very first time, leading man niya ang nalilink sa kanyang si Brett Jackson.
Kitang-kita ko kayo. Nahuli ka na, hindi ka na pwede magtago.
I just feel very blessed. It's my first lead role in a movie. Especially I'm working with Andy Eigenman. She's amazing, so it's all good.
Mukhang may bago na naman tayong kakikiligang love team. Siguradong marami na ang nag-iintay sa pelikula na ito.
And watch out for Your Place or Mine coming soon.
Yan ang mga dapat abangang movies from the one and only Andy Eigenman. Tragic Theater at Your Place or Mine coming soon.